Farewell speech for friends, respected manager and dear team members. Finally, the day has come when I am standing amidst you and preparing to give my farewell speech. Let me start my speech by expressing my sincere gratitude to you all for organizing such a lovely farewell party for me. I am truly overwhelmed. I joined this organization 10 years back when I was 25 years old, young and energetic. I had freshly completed my management course with plenty of theoretical knowledge. This organization gave me a lot of opportunities to learn and grow as a professional. Not only has this company polished my skills and enhanced my knowledge, but it has also given me a lot of good friends like you all. Working here has been a great learning experience and I am thankful to the management for showing utmost trust in my skills and dedication. All my leaders have played a very important role in making me a perfect professional. But I would like to especially thank my current leader who is more than a leader to me. I have found a best friend and a big brother in him. Today being my last day, I would like to be little bold in accepting that the strong person you all know me as has also felt discouraged and demoralized at times. There have been days when I had lost faith in myself and given up hopes. It was then when Mr. Narul, my current boss, my friend, my guide, boosted my morale and showed me light in despair. I've learned from him to accept criticism and compliments without being emotional. I have taken directions and guidance from him not only in my professional but in my personal life as well. Working with him has made me an open-minded person and I have learned to respect other people's opinions too and consider their ideas along with mine, which has always given better results. Mr. Narul, I and our team have handled several difficult projects together and have successfully accomplished those after office hours. We are bonded as great friends and celebrate every occasions of success together. We have discussed personal and professional problems and shared advices with each other whenever required. This organization has not only given me a successful career, but also a bunch of very good and trustworthy friends. I am leaving this organization due to personal reasons, but I am always going to miss this organization that is working with extremely talented and professional people. As a team leader and trainer, I have handled many teams, but the team that I am currently working with now is the most wonderful team I have ever worked with. You people are simply awesome. I never had to worry about the deadline or quality of any project or assignment, and it's all because of you guys. I only used to share the project plan and implementation details, and you would work day and time to execute the same. You all are going to be highly successful and this organization will certainly give you everything you deserve. It's been a wonderful experience working with lovely friends like you all, and I am surely going to miss all this. I wish you all a successful life and career ahead. Stay connected and thank you.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.